Hey everyone, welcome to our first session. Today, I'll be keeping things short and simple. We'll cover just two concepts and then dive into a quick exercise. I want to make sure that we are very effective with our time, so let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about programming languages. While we often get caught up in discussions about C++, Java, or Python, I see these languages more as tools rather than the main focus. What really matters are the core concepts that apply across all programming languages. Let's take a trip down memory lane and explore the history of programming. Back in the early days, engineers used punch cards to write computer instructions. This, as you can imagine, was a headache. But in 1947, assembly came along, marking the birth of the first programming language. While it made coding somewhat easier, assembly is not a walk in the park. As time went on, programming languages evolved, and we saw the emergence of higher-level programming languages like C, Pascal, and eventually more familiar ones like C++, Java, and Python. In our most recent poll, you guys selected Python as the easiest programming language, but I think starting with C++ will give us a stronger foundation. To get started with C++, you'll need two things, a compiler and a code editor. If you want a straightforward setup, CodeBlocks is a good choice because it includes both. Simply download it using the link in the description down below. Once you've got CodeBlocks, simply open it and create a new project. Pick an empty project, give it a title, and click Create. Once your project is created, make an empty file. In it, give the file an extension of CPP. Then write this code into it. To run it, simply click here and you'll see our output will appear in the console here. This is the Hello World program. Now, onto your task for today. I want you to simply write and run the Hello World program in C++ on your computer. We'll dive into data types in our next lesson. Try to have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.